Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all back here. I hope you're having a great weekend. Because obviously we're taking a look at Manta, all right? Which this is your daily update. I'm still covering it daily. I will probably continue to do this daily, but at some point of time, I mean, if Manta is going to remain this bearish, because unfortunately yesterday we did have another bearish breakout, I'm probably not going to do it every day anymore. I'll still do it like bi-daily, so every other day, something like that. But right now, I mean, Manta, unfortunately, it's just not doing great. And we talked about that yesterday. I mean, yesterday there was some hope, especially when I made the video. I think it was right here or something. So there was some bullish momentum. And just in general, the altogether structure of the market was something like this. And something like this, I mean, it's not bullish because the bulls are pushing the price up less high and less high, so it's not bullish. But from here, there is a possibility at some sort of a bullish breakout. But in the end, didn't happen, and we talked about that yesterday as well. Is that the main support level is this level at 2.9, and if that's going to fail, we'll drop down to our next support level at 2.75. Drop down a bit lower right here, but in general, had a bearish breakout. RSI was a bit low earlier, so I do expect a bit of a bounce. You can also see, I mean, the thing with Manta is that, yes, we had a bit of a drop in momentum when we actually had that bearish breakout yesterday evening, but you can also see that it's recovering in open interest pretty well, all right? And that's remarkable to see. Like right now, the open interest is higher than it was yesterday, right here when we had this move. So that either means that a lot of people are shorting, or that means that a lot of new people are opening long positions on Manta. And both, I would actually say, are bullish. Because if a lot of people are shorting right now, that creates a lot of liquidity to the upside, which usually acts as a bit of a magnet. But we'll have a look at that as well. But I do think this is interesting. Like if you have a look at this, like the open interest right now, it's not as high as it was when we were bullish up here. All right, that's true. But it's the fact that it's recovering. It's great to see, and I think it's better to see even right here. And here we can also see if the numbers we just looked at are good. But no, I mean, it's pretty good to see this. So I do hold out hopes for Manta. We all know that fundamentally it's still doing fine, and I don't even think I need to show you the total value locked of Manta. But now it's just we just need to get some sort of a bullish breakout with Manta. And even though the momentum has increased quite a bit, I'm not sure if that's something we can ask. Most of the liquidity, if we really zoom out for Manta, is to the upside. So you can see at 3.05 and 3.25. So that's right here. So I do think some sort of a bullish breakout is a possibility. But given the fact that the market structure right now for Manta is still bearish, and it's still very bearish. Like yesterday, Manta was still respecting all of these EMAs religiously, and then overnight we had a major bearish breakout. So I would say it's most likely to assume that we're going to stay in this market structure. All right, so have a bit of a pullback up to our resistance here at 2.85 and 2.9, but respect that and then slowly drop back down towards the support level right here at 2.55 and 2.5. Unfortunately, I think that's most likely. But given the fact that we are seeing some decent recovery in some numbers, I think there's a realistic possibility, and this is the main trait I'm thinking about, that Manta has a chance to break above 2.9. And if Manta breaks above 2.9 in combination with that momentum that's increasing, I would actually say that's enough to at least have a move up to 3.25 to grab that liquidity. So this looks most interesting in my eyes as a trader, but if we're being realistic, I think this is most likely. All right. So keep your eyes open, all right? Set a price alert at 2.85, 2.9. Have a look at what's going on, and maybe some opportunities will arise. But those are my thoughts on Manta for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also see my premium and signal group for if you want to know when I'm taking a trade on Manta, if I will. I mean, there's no specific setups yet. But still, if you're interested, check it out. For now, have a great weekend, and bye.